Hello, a very warm welcome. Today we are looking at another LeetCode question, which is linked list cycle. In this question, we are given a linked list and we need to see whether I have any cycle to it or not. What is a definition of cycle here? A cycle in a linked list if there is some node in the list that can be reached again by continuously following the next pointer, right? Now, this question is something which is a top interview question as well, because if you see in the flag above, it's being asked in top interview questions as well. Now, how we are going to approach this problem is uh, as you can see, right, we have to traverse through each and every node, and how we're going to do is like whatever my next node is, we are going to traverse each and every node in that particular linked list, and we are going to see that okay, whatever the new node which I'm going to find, is it already part of my traversed list or not. So what I mean by that is, say I'm traversing from 3, okay, I'll use a hash map here or hash table here, and I'll add that to a hash table. Say I added 3 to the hash table, then I found 2. When I'm finding 2, I'll see, okay, do I have a 2 which is present in the dictionary or my hash table or not? It is not. Then I add it to the hash table. Similarly 0, similarly -4. But after that, if you see -4 dot next is right now 2, correct? So if I look -4 dot next, then I'll have a value which will be 2, which is already present in my hash table, right? So if I try to visualize this, right? So say I had these nodes. So my head node is this. So my say I have a hash map which is dt. So I'll say okay, if dt contains 3, no it doesn't. So I'll add 3 into it. No, now I did okay, head dot next. I got 2. Now I do 2. If 2 is part of this dt, because it tried to containing 3, it is not. I'll add 2. Now I found 0. 2 dot next is 0. 2 dot do I have a 0 in this list? No, I'll add 0. Now 0 dot next is -4. -4 is part of this list? No, I'll add this to the list. -4 dot next is 2 back. So do I have a 2 in this list? Yes, I have a 2 in this list. I'll return true because I have a cycle, because this will always be in this rotation. It will always go in this rotation, right? So with this explanation, let's go ahead and deep dive into the code. As discussed, I'll create a list node head, say integer which will just contain a value to it. My dt is equal to new dictionary list node dot int. Now while do is what I'll do is, while head is not equal to null, because that's where I need to traverse through it, I'll say if my dt dot contains key head, then I'll say return true. That means I've already traversed through that particular node earlier. If it is not, I'll add it to the list head comma head dot val. Here value is of no significance. It's just that the dictionary needs a key value pair. And once I have done that, I'll do head is equal to head dot next. Move to the next pointer. If at the end of the day I'm not finding, I've traversed through all the nodes and I'm not finding a node which is part of the dictionary, that means there is no cycle to it, I'll return false. So let's run it and see what is happening. I got a response true. Let's submit it. It got accepted. So if you look at time complexity will be O of n, because we are in a worst case scenario traversing through each and every node of the given linked list, and here n obviously refers to the number of nodes. This is it, guys. In case you like this explanation, please go ahead, like and subscribe, and do click on the bell icon so that if I upload any next video, you may be notified about it. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot.